What's up, audit fans? Dr. Amanda here. And you'll notice that from my vlogs over the last year, I've done a lot of traveling, and I'm on my last trip for the year. We're heading down to Melbourne for ASCILITE, which is a technology and teaching conference, and then the Tertiary Education Quality Standards Agency TEXA conference. And hopefully I'll have lots of good stuff about big trends coming in higher education, and hopefully some great ideas on using technology in education. Good morning, audit fans. It is day one of the ASCILITE conference. This is my first time at the conference, and I went to the reception welcome last night. That was awesome. Got to meet a whole lot of people. I thought I wouldn't know anybody here, but turns out there are a few people and some awesome people that I know on Twitter who I follow who are here. So today, I don't know what's in store. I've looked at the program. I've got some ideas of what I want to see, but looking forward to it. Off to find some breakfast now. I'm pretty hungry. It's 7:30. And we're here in Geelong, so let me show you. Got sort of a view of the harbour down there. But in Geelong, nothing opens for breakfast before 7:30. So I'm off to find some breakfast, and the conference starts at 9. I'm here with Sophie. Hello. And we're off to the first session. If you haven't got your delegate bag, make sure you do, because there's a voucher inside to get a keep cup, and it has jelly beans as well, so snacks to keep us going. But we're off to the first session. First keynote is over, and we had Paul Leblanc from the Southern New Hampshire University. And it's an institution that has thrown out credit points and has just gone to competency. So rather than it be a fixed amount of time that a course runs, and then you get your grade based on that, of what you could learn in that time. Instead, it's based on a competency. So you have to meet a certain level, and you can do it as quickly or as slowly as you want. So it was really great to see people taking into account, or a university taking into account, the potential for differences in learning and the fact that people have different paths to learning. That was really powerful, and they're doing some amazing work with refugees, really helping education become that social mobility tool. And that's something I've always been a huge proponent of, especially with YouTube. So we've had morning tea, of which I gorged myself on fruit salad and lots of chocolatey goodness. I've got my free keep cup, and I bring my own tea bag. So I'm using Trader Joe's spicy chai for anyone who's playing at home. And I think the next session I'm going to is about creating a community of innovators in digital curriculum. And that's really interesting for me, because I'm not really part of an online university. We're mostly a face-to-face institution, but with more and more blended learning, how do we get more and more academics on board with that? So that sounds really exciting. See you guys soon. Day one of ASCILITE, all done for me. I think there's a dinner. There was some really interesting stuff about digital literacy and digital natives. So we often assume that millennials and people born in the internet age already have a lot of digital literacy skills, but what we realize is that they know how to use Facebook and navigate a lot of social media, but they might not have the technology skills that we think they have. So it was really interesting to look at how we could scaffold student skills in digital literacy, and how to use and master those tools really effectively. So that was really great this afternoon. We also saw some really great stuff on academic integrity. So people who know me know that this is sort of one of my little hobby horse areas, and there was some interesting discussion about whether if you design an authentic, reasonable task for students, whether they'll still cheat or not. And that's not I've had different experiences with that, and I'm going to be presenting at the Higher Education Forum on Friday about that, so I'll put a link to that in the comments. But it was really interesting to see lots of different types of ways we can assess students and have it authentic and try and minimize cheating. So even things like applying for a job, or Wikipedia entries, or editing Wikipedia, or for nursing students, they got them to watch episodes of Grey's Anatomy and say, how were those nurses not meeting codes of practice? So there was lots of really great, interesting stuff today. I met lots of really exciting people who hopefully meeting some of them for dinner later tonight. And then who knows what's in store for tomorrow, but really, hopefully more exciting stuff. I really enjoyed my first day. Hope you've enjoyed my first day report from ASCILITE, and I'll see you tomorrow.